going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Eat your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? Hopefully you're having a great day so far. I've got a funny one. Is it really funny? I guess it's how you look at it. The guy's in jail, so not really that funny, but this is kind of funny. This mama's boy, I'm gonna call him a boy. He's 20 years old. He's still a kid, but legally he's a man living with his mom, gets in trouble. She still has access there over pretty much his life. So she shuts it off and he gets mad. Now he's in jail. All right, before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
This is 24 CR 00642E. Samuel Najima, charged with one count of criminal trespass. That's when you need to interview. And
Yes,
second count of simple assault.
To whom am I speaking?
Mr. Cook, you need to mute yourself.
I'm sorry. Hang on.
Mr. Najima is my case, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. All right.
Can you still hear me?
We can.
Oh, the courtroom too can hear me.
No, we can hear you. We all can hear you. You're not muted.
Okay. Well, it's okay.
Can you mute him? Who's my Zoom master?
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Still hear you.
Well, if they could call me on my cell phone, maybe that would be better. Since I
Well,
can't.
we're going to be able to hear your conversation. Who is the Zoom master today? Who's the litigation manager?
It's Miss Bridgewater, but it's Miss Grace as the host.
Yeah, can you mute Mr. Cook for us?
Sure.
Thank you.
I need to be able to talk to the client on WebEx and then without being in the courtroom.
We understand. We just don't want to hear the whole conversation. All right.
Did you call this case or what?
I was trying. I think I did.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll go down. Second
ahead.
arrest, 2022 simple battery dead docket.
All right. Stay.
All right, that had nothing to do with the case. I just thought it was humorous watching the attorney struggle with his tech. Yeah. Tech is hard.
That's my case. That case was actually the 2022 dead docket. Was dead docketed because the defendant started to take advantage of an opportunity to do diversion. He has been terminated from diversion actually as of July the 9th, 2024. So that case may be brought up. That case, the 22 CR 003471E, was also against his mother. Her name is Pascaline Njemo, Njemo. In front of you today is 20-year-old Samuel Njemo. This is 2 counts, criminal trespass, family violence, and a simple assault, family violence. Police went to the location 1520 where the victim, Mrs. Pascaline Njemo, reported that her son was angry because she smelled weed. She told him he needed to get out of her house. She went and got into her car in the parking lot. He went out to the car. She turned off service to his cell phone, and he began demanding money from her. I think $200 he'd given her previously for some maybe service. When she didn't engage with him, he began striking the vehicle she was in, including damaging the hood and the driver's side panel while she was sitting in the car. They do have a previous case. His mother reports that there may be some MH issues. There's clearly a an issue going on, Your Honor. We would ask for an MAGT, no contact with Pascaline, his mom, stay away from the location, 15208. He can have a one-time law enforcement escort to get his things. We'd be asking for a $2,000 surety. His 2022 case required no violent contact with his mom, and he had a $5,000 SOB. His mom signed that as a co-signer. So we're asking for a $2,000 surety, stay away from the location, have absolutely no contact with his mom, Pescaline, and that's Pescaline. MHET and no drugs, alcohol, or weapons. Miss Pescaline in Gemo is on the Zoom if you'd like to sound for her.
It's
Thank you.
Pascaline, in Jumo. Do you wish to address the court today? Yes or no?
No. She has said everything I told her.
Okay, all right. The answer is no. Okay, thank you. You can continue to observe. PD McLean?
Your Honor, given, let's see if I'm unmuted. Yes, I am. Given the amount of the history, I understand that, I understand what the allegations are, certainly, but this could be a signature bond, Your Honor. He's got a friend who was easy to find, easy to contact by phone. He get a place to live with friends. He's 20 years old. That's what 20-year-olds do, is they have plenty of couches to surf on, and he'll keep up with his court dates, Your Honor.
Is he working or employed?
Right now, he's going to be taking some classes at a location of a school branch that he mentioned that I'm familiar with. It's the Gwinnett Tech branch that's in Alpharetta. It's right by Avalon Shopping Center. So fairly large facility, not huge. It is a branch of Gwinnett Tech that's on 316. He's going to be taking classes there. And his friend is probably zooming in, but he shouldn't have any problem staying organized enough to keep up with his court.
Does he need a one-time escort back?
Yes, he does, Your Honor. And the state's asking for a surety bond because he is in violation of the bond he's on from 2022, where he threw his mom down on the ground because she took his electronics away. And I didn't hear a response about whether or not this gentleman is working.
I think he said no.
In school?
Going to sign up. All right, I will order the $2,000 surety bond. That'll be $500 on the criminal trespass, $1,500 on the simple assault. He is to have no further contact with his mom right now until he can get it together, and hopefully she won't feel unsafe. No further contact with Pescaline and Gmo. Stay away from the incident location, 15208 Cypress Court in Alpharetta. There was a request for an MHET, but I didn't hear the PDs mentioned anything of that sort. Or should we have BHET talk to him and assess him a little bit?
I don't have any indications in that area right now, Your Honor.
All right.
His mother had requested a MHET, Your Honor. I believe she says he's refusing treatment.
Okay. Guess I'll go ahead and ask for an order for an MHET. If the PDs could get me that order.
Well, Your Honor, it would not, I don't have any indication. I don't have any reasons to put in the order for myself of anything I've observed that I could cite.
So maybe we should have a breakout session. We can put him to the end of the calendar, and maybe you can talk to your client again and see if information that is being provided to you makes sense. You just
Okay.
you just heard he's got a case against his mom. He's still living at home and he's assaulting her based on taking his electronics away. He's an adult. We'll start there.
Okay.
All right, we'll make a decision. We'll move it to the end so we can have a breakout.
Man, the prosecutor is really pushing the electronics. So he's in jail now for his mom turning off his cell phone, but he was already on probation, or I guess bond. He was doing a diversion program. So I mean that's essentially a bond program. You have to do X amount of things to get that taken off your record. For taking his electronics away. I don't know why I find this so funny. It was a year ago when this happened, so he was 19, living with his mom. His mom took his PlayStation away, and he threw her to the ground. You're gonna live with your mom. She doesn't take your PlayStation away, man. You're only 19. I still look at 19 as a kid, even though you're legally adult. Yeah, can't be doing that. Don't be assaulting anyone, especially your mom. What kind of person are you? It's gross. All right, let's finish this up. Nothing really happens at the very end of this. He brings them back, and they kind of just restate the same things. But I'll play it out. You guys have a great day. Until next time, bye.
All right, this is for position 13, Mr. Njimo. We're going to be ordering a $2,000 surety bond, $1,500 on the simple assault, $500 on the criminal trespass for a $2,000 surety. I'm going to order BHUT. I'm going to order no further contact with Pescaline in Gmo. You'd have no further contact with her right now. Stay away from the Cypress. Do not go by her work or home or have any contact with her. Stay away. Must be 200 yards away from her. Don't contact her through third parties or email or social media or anything. We're going to give you a one-time police escort to go back to the property to get your personal belongings. Do not go back by yourself. You have to arrange for police escort or else you'll be in violation and you can be arrested again. All right. That is the ruling of the court.
Mr. McLean.